What's going on, man? It's your big brother Trend. Don't change this video, because what I'm about to change this video, it's gonna change your life if you listen to what I'm about to tell you in this short video, okay? What I'm about to tell you is the truth. And if you do what I'm telling you to do in this video, you'll be just like me, right? You won't be having to work for nobody. You'll be making your own money. And you will be able to walk around your neighborhood 1,000 times a year and look on the road and see nobody else is driving right now. I want y'all to take a look, y'all. Pay attention to how many cars pass me on this road. And I'm going to tell you why there ain't no cars on this road, all right? I'm Trent Henderson. I'm Trend Genius. People call me Trend Genius, aka Big Brother Trend. I'm a content creator. I'm a YouTube vlogger. I've been doing YouTube for going on 9 years now, okay? I have like 4 different channels that I work on. This is one of my main channels right here that I work on, okay? And YouTube has paid me well. And when I say well, I mean well, okay? I can eat a full course meal today, every single day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, okay? And I got a roof on my head. YouTube put a roof over my head, got my own spot. YouTube gave me a car. I got my own car, brand new car. I done had 2 brand new cars in the past like 8 months, okay? So YouTube is the move, and I'm about to tell you why in this video. Just listen to what I'm about to tell you. Ain't no cars passing, is it? You know why it ain't no cars passing, y'all? Because the economy is slowly collapsing, y'all. I know what I know because I be out here every day in the streets all the time. People be working. I don't. I got my own business, my own income coming off YouTube and my other stuff that I have. So I see the movement of traffic and I see the movement of people and how they operate every single day. I know what's going on just by what's going on in the streets. And one thing I've noticed, as the economy is slowly crashing, a lot of people are not out no more driving and riding around no more because they can't, because everybody's too busy trying to work and make $1. Okay? You probably even watching this video right now at the job, like stressing, like, yo, bills is due. Rent is coming up. I'm trying to make more money. If that's you, then I'm talking to you right now. You're not the only one that noticed this. You're not the only one that feel this way. I even noticed this too. But what I'm trying to tell you is there is a way out of this collapse that's coming, y'all, because I'm telling y'all, it better be a miracle or something that's gonna happen in the next few months. I don't know. Something gotta pull, something gotta give. But at the rate this economy is going right now, it's slowly trickling down. It's slowly deteriorating. If you go into stores and local stores that you shop at, man, just look on people's faces, man. Everybody looks confused. People got calculators out trying to put together numbers and math. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's shopping like in disgrace and look like they sad about shopping because they know they ain't got a lot of money to spend. I'm starting to see 2 people shopping at the same time more often than ever. And I know for a fact the reason why 2 people is shopping together is because they putting their money together. See, I know these things because, like I said, y'all, I have the privilege, thank God, okay, I did what I'm telling y'all a long time ago. I have the privilege to sit back and look at this thing from a eagle point of view. And I'm telling you right now, the economy is not in good shape. It is slowly collapsing. All right. And if you ask me what I think is going to collapse next, it will probably be something like banking. Okay. Financial institutions and stuff like that. That's what I think the next pandemic will be. Now, for those of you who remember the pandemic that we just came out of, everybody thought it was a joke, right? Everybody thought, man, they ain't gonna shut down, man. They just lying, man, whatever. Lo and behold, They was actually telling you the truth. Everything did shut down and everybody did have to stay at home, right? And guess what? A lot of people lost their jobs because of the pandemic. A lot of people lost their jobs because of the pandemic. But guess who didn't lose their job? YouTube content creators like me and like what you will be doing if you listen to this video. I was working. You know why? Because everybody was at home on computers and cell phones looking at videos and stuff. Folks, one thing you got to understand about YouTube, it is a media platform. It's never going to go away. Okay? People watch more YouTube than they do regular TV. YouTube is the biggest platform, even bigger than Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Threads, LinkedIn, Facebook. YouTube is the #1 media platform in the world right now. It's booming, it's bustling, and it ain't gonna go away no time soon because too many people watch it. Even the government can't shut down YouTube. That's why you got so many people on YouTube talking about all this different stuff that you don't even supposed to be talking about, man. And they can't even do nothing about it because the YouTube is thriving. It got me through the pandemic. The whole time I was getting paid, drinking lemonade in the shade, making videos on YouTube. $10,000 a month, $15,000 a month, $9,000 in some months. You feel me? Now, why am I saying all this? I'm trying to tell y'all something. If whatever happens is about to come, if it do happen, I'm gonna try and tell you, if you're working at that job, you ain't gonna be able to work there, man. You ain't gonna be able to work there. I'm telling you, you better start a YouTube channel immediately. Immediately. For those of you who've been following me, y'all know I've been telling all my subscribers this for the longest. People don't believe me. People don't believe me. People ain't hopping on it, man. And I've been saying that. The last video I made about this subject was what, like, I say about like what, about 7 months ago. How many people jumped on it? Probably like 100. Should have been a lot more than that. Cause y'all missing out. If you smart and you intelligent, or you know stuff, or you got a skill or a trade, bring your skill or your trade or your craft or your teachings and your intellect, your cooking, your author skills, all right, your mechanic skills. Whatever you do, bring it to YouTube and put it on camera, because I'm telling you, if something was to pop off to where it was another lockdown or something like that, you will have a job and you will have money coming in, flowing constantly, because everybody's gonna be watching YouTube videos. I mean, look around. Everybody's always on their cell phone. 9 times out of 10, if you looking at somebody that's on their cell phone, they watching some type of video content. And if you start a YouTube channel immediately, you won't have these problems like everybody else who don't know what's gonna happen if it does happen. You will have something to stand on. And see, one thing you gotta understand about YouTube right now, I've noticed they doing this too. Cause I'm a YouTube instructor, right? I have my own course. I'm gonna tell you about that. But I'm a YouTube instructor because I've been doing this for so long. I'm like a veteran at this stuff, y'all. I'm really good at this stuff. I know more than big millionaire subscriber channels because I get more views than them. I get a lot more views than them because they don't know what I know, bro. So I'm telling you this. I'm telling you to say this, bro. Listen, check this out. I just lost my train of thought. So this is what I was gonna say. So while everybody else trying to figure out how they gonna get bread, how they gonna make money, I'm trying to tell you, you ain't gonna have that problem, man. You're not gonna have that problem on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? You need to start a channel immediately. And what they doing now is that the new people that's coming to the platform, man, they blowing their channels up quick. And I be looking back, sitting at some of these newcomers that I'm subscribed to, and I be like, my God, I wish I had that opportunity back when I was starting YouTube, because it took me like at least like 3 years to get my channels rolling. You know what I mean? But I noticed these new content creators that stay consistent on it and they show up every day, man, they rewarding them. They giving them tens and 20s and thousands of subscribers fast. And they quitting their jobs. I follow some guys, man, they quitting their jobs. Like they walking away from the trucking business. They walking away from the food industry. Like they doing that because they getting paid from this platform. But what I'm trying to tell you is, listen, man, I know how hard it is out there, okay? Because I'm switching back and forth in this road because I'm trying to make it quiet so y'all can hear me. Y'all see a little bit of cars rolling, but it still ain't a lot, is it? Because everybody working so hard. But anyway, I remember how it was when I was struggling, trying to get my YouTube channel off the ground. I remember the struggle, and I remember how I never had no money like that. I had a little bit of money, but I was using that money to invest in myself, to get my camera equipment and stuff like that, to, you know, buy me an Airbnb so I can make these videos and stuff like that. So I know the struggle, but it's worth the investment. Trust me, because you'll be like me here today, chilling like a villain, enjoying doing something that you love to do versus going to work 9 to 5 and just standing there all day wasting your time. You feel me? So since I am so good at YouTube, I study this stuff every single day, all day long. I study the algorithms, I study the optimization, I study keywords, I study tags, I study descriptions, I study thumbnails. I create thumbnails every single day. I'm a designer, folks. I'm the truth. And I ain't just talking. My numbers don't lie. Okay? I got 2 deals. I got 2 YouTube deals, like record deals. Like I'm signed to 2 different record companies. I got 2 deals, bro. And I still got more people trying to give me more deals. And I'm just one man. I can't even take all them deals. Why do they want to give me deals? Because they know I know what I'm doing. And so with that knowledge that I have, I want to do it for you because I love it so much. I want you to be a content creator, and I want you to start today, immediately. And it's probably been something that you've been thinking about for a long time. Well, listen, stop waiting and stop procrastinating and stop sitting back and saying, I'm going to wait till a brighter day. I'm going to wait till I get my paycheck. Stop saying that, because if you keep saying that, you're going to never make it. Bro, when I figured out I could do this, I just left and started doing it, bro. Ask my family now. My family now remember, like, bro, they know trend just started just popping off, bro. You see? They blowing horn because they know me, bro. It's good. Bro, YouTube, you better start it immediately. Start a channel immediately. Listen, this is what I'm going to do for you because I'm so personable with this stuff. Listen, I'm real. And I want to see you succeed in this. Because if I'm doing it, I know you can do it. I'm going to give you, listen, if you get my YouTube course, which is super cheap, folks, it's super, super cheap. It ain't but $100. Most people, for this type of knowledge that I'm going to give you after you do the course and I talk to you for free personally, man, most people charge $5 grand for the type of stuff that I know. You got to go through a seminar at a hotel ballroom to get this information I know. I talk to the big dogs. They tell me their information. You feel me? The white boys, boy, they tell me their information. I'd be like, damn, I ain't know that. I know what they know. And so this is why I got my own personal YouTube course, the most cheapest one on the internet. Once you get my YouTube course and you go through the simple, basic knowledge of me explaining to you how this stuff works, it's a real simple, easy course. But what you really gonna pay for, what you really getting is really me in my personal time. After you take that course and after you get that course after this video, right? After you get it after this video, you got to send me an email stating that you completed the course. And I'm gonna see that you actually accessed it and completed it. Now, this is for the people in the past who got my course and who waited 3 months to hit me up. It don't work like that, okay? It just really don't work like that. I'm not falling for that trick, all right? Once you get my course today after this video and you ready to start this YouTube channel, you ready to get it out there, you've been thinking about this, you ready to teach, you ready to preach, whatever you do. After you complete that course, make sure that you contact me by email. Make sure that you contact me by email and You send me an email and say I completed it, and I'm gonna see that you accessed it, and then I'm gonna holler at you personally on the phone. I'm gonna tell you all the sauce. Why? Why is he so nice? Because I love this, bro. This is what I do for a living. I'm gonna give you the sauce. Okay, I'm basically gonna give you 8 years worth of game in 30 minutes. After you do that, after you talk to me, you're gonna go to YouTube. Let me tell you what's gonna happen. You're gonna go to YouTube, you're gonna start doing everything I tell you to do, and you're gonna do the stuff I gave you from the course. You're gonna start making videos in the formats that I tell you, in the way I tell you how to do it, and everything I'm gonna give you. Your channel is gonna start growing tremendously within 1 month's top. You're gonna start getting addicted to it, just like I did. You're gonna start coming up with more ideas and inspiration because you actually see the results. Then you're gonna start to see more results, and then you're gonna make it to 1,000 subscribers. They're gonna start paying you. Then when they start paying you, you're gonna start making more money than you make at your job. Then when you start making more money than you make at your job, you're gonna be thinking about quitting, just like I did. Then when you really start to really fall into it, you're gonna really be making more money than your job, then you're gonna quit your job. Then you're gonna quit your job, then you're gonna be having more time to make more videos, then you're gonna make more money. Then you're gonna make more money, then you're gonna be doing the same thing I'm doing, trying to tell people like you should do this, man. It's priceless. So I'm telling you, you better get this YouTube course right now. I'm telling you folks, I'm only doing this for July. I got a July deal coupon for the course. So you can't flex me, y'all. I know y'all flexers out there try to scam me. You can't scam me. I know the people that signed up in July. Today is the 17th, 16th, 17th, something like that. So you can't flex me. It got to be done within this month's tops. If you want to do it big, if you're tired of working and you know the economy is collapsing and crashing right now, you can feel the pressure, you better jump on this right here, because I'm telling you, it ain't gonna be too long with this fade out. It don't be hot no more. They probably gonna start charging people to create channels. You better get on it while it's hot. Don't wait till tomorrow. Don't wait till winter time. Now is the time to do it right now. And do it with your big bro. Do it with Coach Trend, because I'm the best of the best, baby. With that being said, man, it's your big bro Trend, man. I look forward to talking to you on the phone after the course, man. Peace.